kill just one. My carton's kind of broken, so that's why I'm like doing that. Isn't it? Oh! I'm sorry that you can't see this. Actually, I just saw a shooting star. Lucky me. Or maybe that was hallucinating. Okay, all of you watching if that was a shooting star. Oh, Raven's already. Okay, I'm gonna